Yeah, yeah. First time. First time. Hi. First time.
Nalagyan mo ba yan sa ano?
Yeah. This is Carolyn Redshow.
Yeah.
Carol. Myra. Thank you. That's the pusit. I'm right. Ito po ang aking Menti. Pero story sa sabihin mo yung story. Sabihin mo yung story.
When we were dating,
Okay.
this is me, and this is James, and this is our love for each other.
Wow, where?
Ito na yung love nga
Yung love yung malaki.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero ngayon, this is me and James, this is our dad. Nautang pa siya.
Pero pa utang dalawa.
Ay, mo na yan. Wala rin mo. Wala rin mo.
Tanong mo, pagtanungan mo, pwede ba